5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the view. We're going to face all the way out right now. The first thing you'll notice about the view is how brief it is. There it goes. Thanks for coming. And it's back. You've got the big old blue wet thing in front of us. Oh, this is saltwater going down south into the capital city of Olympia, where punk rock is still alive. Over on the other end of the water, all of Bainbridge Island in the city of Bremerton. You can learn more about the great city of Bremerton from the lyrics of the song Bremelo by Sir Mix-a-Lot. Over on this side, the West Seattle Peninsula goes into the Elliott Harbor. Elliott Harbor is famously named after Elliott. And over on this side, all of the downtown Seattle area, the great big black building is the Columbia Center, the tallest in the state of Washington, and you can normally tell because all the other buildings are shorter. We're going to find ourselves all the way up here at the top like this, and the doors pop wide open like so. Here we are.
Nice job.
Yeah, nice.